The Badami town. Badami was founded by Pulakeshin I in 540 AD. It was the regal capital of the Chalukyas from 540 to 757 AD. The town is famous for the Bhutnath temple and the cave temples. The Badami town was previously known as Vatapi. It is situated in the Bagalkot district of Karnataka. In the Western Ghats mountain range, Munnar is also called the Kashmir of South India. It's named for its tea plantations and for its cool climate. It covers a total area of 187 square kilometers. Malayalam is the main language spoken here. The Dwarkadish temple, also known as the Jagat Mandir, it is a temple dedicated to God Krishna, who is worshipped here by the name Dwarkadish or King of Dwarka. It is situated on the bank of river Gomti, Dwaraka, Gujarat, India, one of the destinations of Char Dam. Archaeologically, findings suggest it to be 2000 to 2200 years old. The tallest peak of the temple is 51.8 meters high. The flag on the top of the temple shows the sun and moon, which is believed to indicate that Krishna would be there till sun and moon exist on earth. Hawa Mahal is one of the famous and historic places of Jaipur in Rajasthan in West India. It is also known as the Palace of Winds or the Palace of Breeze. It is famous for its windows or jharokas, which enable free circulation of air within the structure. Many people see the Hawa Mahal from the street view and think it is the front of the palace, but it is its back. So friends, whenever you visit Jaipur, please do not forget to visit Hawa Mahal.
Kanchipuram is a famous city in the Tondemandalam district of Tamil Nadu, and it is a famous and important Hindu pilgrimage in India. It is famous for its Kanchipuram silk sarees in South India. The old name of Kanchipuram is Kanjivaram, and it is situated on the bank of river Vegavati.
Tirupati is a city in Chittor district of Andhra Pradesh. The city is home to most famous and important Vaishnavite shrine of Tirumala Venkateswara temple. Around 30 to 40 crore pilgrims visit the temple every year to get a glimpse of the deity of Lord Venkateswara and lead a path to salvation. Elephanta Caves, or also known as Elephanta Caves, are a collection of cave temples dedicated to God Shiva. They are on Gharapuri or Elephanta Island in Maharashtra. They were named Elephanta by the Portuguese when they found elephant statues on it. It consists of 5 Hindu caves and a few Buddhist stupas. It is an incredibly breathtaking example of Indo-Saracenic style of architecture. The Mysore Palace is a significant edifice located in Mysore in the state of Karnataka. Mysore Palace is the most famous tourist attractions in India after Taj Mahal, with more than 60 lakhs of annual visitors. Charminar is the most famous building of Hyderabad and India. This beautiful monument and mosque was built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah to celebrate the end of a deadly plague. Charminar is an Urdu word translating to 4 pillars. It is known for its popular and busy local market surrounding the structure and became one of the most frequented tourist attractions in Hyderabad.